We found 6.4% hidden capacity on one US packaging line in a single shift. No new machine, no extra headcount. When a line misses plan, most plants argue about why instead of seeing where. Ops says, we were running. Maintenance says, we were down. CI says, we need better data. Meanwhile, the real loss is sitting on the floor, uncounted. On this line, one shift of live loss tracking showed. Short stops under 2 minutes ate 6.4% of runtime. Half traced back to one recurring jam point to fix? About $300 in guides and a 10-minute standard work update. Output recovered that same week. Here's the one shift loss hunt we run with US plants. Keycap 1 pick 1 bottleneck line. Keycap 2 get live signals, run/stop, cycle time, scrap. Keycap 3 sort into 4 buckets. Unplanned downtime, planned downtime, speed loss, quality loss. Keycap 4 hunt the silent killers, short stops, micro jams, speed drift. Keycap 5 by lunch. You've got a Pareto of your real top losses, and you fix one of them that week. If you want us to run this with you, grab a quick 20-minute demo. Just send us your line plus machine type plus biggest pain, downtime, speed, changeover, or scrap, and we'll show you what a one-shift hunt would surface on that line.